If you are here, you probably already chose Sharetribe. It promises a fast way to launch your marketplace, and it is, until you actually try to deploy it. And suddenly you're dealing with servers, configs and decisions you didn't plan for. And before you even launch, you're already overpaying for the infrastructure that may or may not be used. In this video, I will show you how to skip all of that and get a Sharetribe marketplace live in under 10 minutes without overpaying for setup or for hosting. First, we need to get the Sharetribe code. Open Google and search for Sharetribe GitHub repo. Click on the official Sharetribe repository, and the link will also be in the description. Now fork the repository to your own GitHub account. Just click the fork button in the top right corner. This creates your own copy that you can deploy. That's it for the code. Now let's just deploy it. Head to Kuberns.com and click on deploy for free. Sign in with Google or GitHub. I'm choosing Google here. Since I have deployed before, I can skip the setup. I will just click create new project. Now select the Sharetribe repository that you have just forked. Choose your branch, usually main or master. Fill in few service details. Pick where you want it hosted and select your plan. The starter plan is selected by default. Now you will need to add environment variables. These are essential for Sharetribe to work properly. In our detailed blog on Sharetribe deployment, we have explained exactly which environment variables you need and how to set them up. And the link of that blog is in the description below. Once you added environment variables, here is where it gets good. Kuberns uses AI to analyze your Sharetribe app automatically. It detects the tech stack, configures the environment, and sets up everything required for deployment. No Docker files to write, no infrastructures to manage, and zero configuration headaches. Click deploy and watch the logs update in real time. Environment setup, dependency installation, build process. The AI handles it all in the background. When it's done, boom, your marketplace goes live on a preview URL. You can open it immediately and see your Sharetribe marketplace running. It takes a minute. Here is the kicker. Kuberns is often 4 to 5 times cheaper when you compare to platforms like Heroku, Render or Railway. Inside the dashboard, the overview tab shows everything at a glance. Your deployed URL, resources, memory usage, storage, analytics and build history. The resources tab displays what's running your marketplace. Servers, containers, workers and the whole setup. Need to handle more traffic? Scale vertically, bumping up CPU or RAM. Getting massive growth? Scale horizontally by adding more servers with just one click. You can monitor the status, uptime and health of every server here. No Kubernetes expertise needed. The metrics tab gives you the deep dive. Build history, RAM usage, throughput, response time. You can monitor all of that from here. You can set up alerts here so you get notified when RAM hits 90% or any other threshold that you want. The activities tab is your timeline. Every deployment, config change and system activity is logged here. Perfect for tracking what changed and when. The environment tab is where you manage environment variables and connect your custom domain. You can upload a .env file or upload them manually whenever you need. The build and deployment tab lets you fine tune everything. Pre-build scripts, deploy configs, post-build scripts, ports and root directory settings. You can even check out the Docker file that Kuberns creates for you. And finally, the logs tab. The logs tab gives you real-time logs with sorting options. Newest or oldest first. Filter between error logs and general logs. And these logs can be very helpful for troubleshooting. That's it. It's a very simple process. Fork the GitHub, connect to Kuberns and click deploy. And your marketplace will be live in just minutes. No weeks of setup, no DevOps teams and no infrastructure headaches. You just deployed a production ready marketplace in just minutes. Want to try it? Head to Kuberns.com, click deploy and launch your marketplace today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.